Hi, my name is Pial. I am a data scientist, AI developer, and full-time computer science instructor with over 10 years of experience. I have studied data science and artificial intelligence from IIT Madras, and currently I am studying in computer science in the University of the People, USA, with a full-funded scholarship and doing my dream research work. As I have built up my career in academic, I have taught computer science courses more than 10,000 students, including 1,000 plus kids, as a teaching assistant in the university and as an instructor at various reputed institutions all over the world. As a data scientist and Python developer, Python is my backbone. So if you are aiming for being any Python related specialist like data scientist, machine learning developer, deep learning developer, web developer, or even competitive programmer at your school, college, and university level, I can help you master them. I start lesson from the scratch, assuming that you don't have any prior knowledge. I teach everything from the basic with real life project on which currently I am working. My prepared high quality course materials like theory, lab, assignment, homework will make your learning journey feel effortless. And don't worry, I won't stop until you and me both are satisfied on any topic. Most of my students currently are studying at top global universities or in great careers. After completing any specialization or Python course with me, you will be at your desired place, I promise you. Please book a trial class today for being a witness of smooth, interactive, enjoyable, and like real classroom with a passionate scholar and researcher.